Hey guys, welcome back to an Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about the Celero 5G Plus. So as you guys know, they do have the Celero 5G. This is just the Plus version, so it's a new phone that Boost Mobile has came out with. I actually do have the Celero 5G, and it's a good phone. I got it pretty decent price. I think I got it for that amount. I think about 100 or 150 last time I checked. So the suggested retail price is $289.99, so $290, but Boost Mobile has it right now for $150 plus taxes, guys. So this is a Celero 5G, extreme size, extreme speed. Let's go ahead and check it out and see what it has. So we can click buy here. And then, of course, they will ship it to you. If you're going through the website, you just have to go, put your address in there and your zip code. I think it's just zip code and email, actually. So it looks identical to maybe last year's model, maybe 2 years now. I think it's last year, if I'm not mistaken. But this is a Celero 5G Plus. Let's see what it has to offer for 150. Right off the bat, it is 128 gigs of memory, which is really nice for a $150 phone. That's a nice budget-friendly price, I would say, right now with the cell phone industry. So, guys, it's pretty good. So, let's go ahead and see the front. It does have a hole punch front-facing camera, which is nice. It does have the the tri-camera setup with the rear-facing flash. It looks like you do have a volume up, volume down, and power button on the right side. It might be bottom firing speakers. It does have a headphone jack, which is nice. A lot of phones don't have that anymore, so it's kind of nice to see that. It looks pretty cool overall, guys. So it says it does have Android 12, which is basically the newest Android out there. Android 13, I believe, is on the way. Talk time 17.1 hours. Wow. Camera 50 megapixels. Ooh, that's a real nice camera, guys. 50 megapixels, 7-inch screen. I might actually have to buy this phone and try it out, guys. I'm looking for a new phone to watch videos on, and if the screen resolution's on really good on this one, I might pick it up for, being a nice size phone. So more than meets the eye. This Celero 5G Plus is the phone evolution you've been waiting for, with improved features across the board, plus strong blazing fast 5G connection and intense Qualcomm Snapdragon 695. So 6 series Snapdragon, I mean, it's not, I wouldn't say it's bad, but it's not, fastest out there, of course, but it's still, for the price point, guys, it's a real nice processor. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, broadcasting your life to the world, staying in touch with family and friends, or working on the road, the Celero 5G Plus does it all. We'll have to test that out. Megapixels. So it says the main lens for the triple rear camera captures everything you do in 50 megapixel. Ooh, glory, basically. So you can record your adventures and share them a crystal clear position, which is real nice. And second rate selfies with a 16 megapixel camera. So the front has a 16 megapixels camera, and then the rear, the main one, of course, remember there's other sensors, probably a wide and ultra wide lens, but the main lens is a 50 megapixel. So it's pretty nice for capturing videos or anything like that. It does have a side fingerprint sensor, so where the power button is, that's your fingerprint sensor, guys. So it's not on the screen. It's funny, they kind of show it like on the screen, but it's basically on the side. Here's the big battery. It's a 5,000 milliamp battery, guys. Fast charging included, and it does have charging capabilities. 5,000 milliamp and with wireless charging capabilities. Wow. So for a phone this cheap, guys, I don't know, man. The specs are pretty nice, so I might actually have to get it, test it out. 5,000 milliamp battery, hassle-free wireless charging, which is really nice. Okay, so let's get to some of the specs. It is NFC compatible, which is nice. You can allow secure payment processing where available. It's a big display, so 7-inch Full HD plus big display with immersive 120 megahertz display, or refresh rate, should I say. Large battery and premium design. So it says premium material with Gorilla Glass 3 screen and premium black glass back cover. Geez, you can tell it's early in the morning, but really nice, guys. It's Full HD plus, so not bad at all. It's probably I'm guessing it's probably like 720 maybe display. So 7-inch HD plus with 120 hertz refresh rate and NFC, 5000 mAh battery with a 15-watt charging, which is not bad. Snapdragon 695 5G mobile platform, Android 12. Of course, the cameras, here's the main one is 50. The ultra wide's a 5 megapixel, wide 5 megapixel. The macro is 2 megapixel. Triple rear camera setup with a 16 megapixel front facing camera. 128 gigs of memory, which is plenty, guys. That's plenty for anybody. And other things, wireless charging, fingerprint scanner, and NFC security payments, or secure payments, should I say. What's included, start guide, USB-C charging cable, so it is USB-C, safety and regulation information, 15-watt charger, and a SIM injector tool. So not bad at all. Just a quick video, just letting you know, guys, there's a new competitor for the prepaid market out there, and you know, that's thanks to Boost Mobile and their Celero 5G, which is in like an exclusive phone for them, I believe. So pretty cool. So let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Are you thinking about getting this phone? Should I get this to unbox it, review it? I probably should. It's time to do that stuff again. So thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and have a nice day.